Hello everyone, I'm Sadia. Today I'm going to tell you about Agile development process and its benefits. First, let's see what is Agile development process. Agile development process is a dynamic and collaborative approach. Like it is iterative process. Unlike traditional methods like delivering a project at the end, it delivers the project iteratively. It adapts the new changes and develop the new changes in increments. It helps teams to respond effectively to evolving project requirements. Let's see what are the benefits of this agile development process. Enhance flexibility and adaptability. Let's see, imagine like traditional methods for developing e-commerce website. Imagine the client runs a fashion store, wants a simple shopping cart and checkout page at first. They give the team all the requirements upfront. The team started working on it. But in the halfway, the clients like they want one click checkout, which was not mentioned before. Unfortunately, this traditional model is long and original checkout. They would have to go back and redo the whole process. This could take weeks and adds costs for making this. But in Agile, the store client can adjust requirements every few weeks. Like we'll have continuous approach with the user. So when the client sees a demo after the second iterate increment or second sprint, they can request like they want one checkout feature. Since Agile is designed for quick adjustments, the team can prioritize it and can start working for the upcoming increments or upcoming sprints. In this way, Agile makes it easy to add features that keeps the website free, fresh, and it can be like prevent from competitive world. Then, when it comes to other benefit, faster time to deliver. For example, in traditional methods, the entire e-commerce website must be developed before launching into the market. The team might take 6 months to build whole modules from product pages, add to cart option, checkout, wish list, and account management features. During this time, the store remains offline and no customers can shop until everything is perfect here. This for this approach to be implemented, the client should wait whole 6 months to be developed. But in Agile, the team can release the website in small parts, in just after few increments or few sprints. They might first launch a basic version of site where users can browse product, add items to cart, and remaining things that can be added in upcoming increments or upcoming sprints. In this way, it is possible to have a faster delivery of the product. By this, also the user can see this, and if they need any changes, they can give the feedback and can agile method also can adapt to the new changes. Other Let's see other benefit. Other benefit will be improved customer collaboration and their satisfaction. Suppose think like in traditional model, the fashion store client gives feedback only at the beginning and end of the model. They might have described the vision of the product pages, but they don't get to see the work in progress. So, suppose they may have some imagination in their mind, but they may not be expressive. And they think that the product will be launched as they have expected. But at the end of the product, it may not be there. By this, they may get disappointed and they may feel like the waste of time and cost there. After several months, the team presents the final site here. If the client doesn't like look or wants any trending wants to be included, it may be difficult and it may add very cost to it if they didn't like that one and if they need to do any changes. In this way, client will be upset regarding this. But in Agile, the client is a part of our journey because we'll have a continuous user feedback here. After every sprint, like every 2 to 4 weeks, maybe 1 month, they see new features like product categories or shopping cart function there. They can give immediate feedback there. For instance, if they want a larger product image, a bestseller section, the team can adjust these details in the upcoming sprint. Like this, customer will be satisfied and they feel happy because if they can if they what they have assumed in their mind, if they can see whether it was implementing or not. If they are not implementing, they can express it again, then the developer may understand it in a better way. Here, in traditional methods or method, there is one like there is a third person, like product cannot be but client cannot be speak with the development team, and he cannot expect directly to them. But in Agile, directly development team can speak with the customer and can understand the changes and can adapt to those changes here. By this way, customer maybe trust them, like the people who are developing or speaking with the clients. And not only the faster delivery and feedback. In this way, it is also includes product quality here, higher product quality, because testing is done at every increment or every sprint. Unlike in traditional methods, we'll have a one separate stage for testing. But in waterfall, testing happens at the end of the project. So if there is any glitch also, it will be very difficult to go back and to check and to make it the changes there. Suppose think like payment process is not working correctly. We may not be known where the main bug has been created. Fixing these issues in the project can lead to delays and make it hard to ensure everything is working smoothly before. Because if any change is made in the payment, it may cause any bug in the very add to cart, or it may in wish list or somewhere. If it causes there any bug there, then we need to solve it again there. So in this way, it causes very difficulty and we cannot ensure the product quality also here. But in Agile, a quality test is done at every stage. Like we are not having a separate phase for testing, but also we are involving customer and asking the feedback at every step. Like, for example, when the team completes the shopping cart feature, they immediately test to ensure items are added correctly. And they're also showing to the customer also. Bugs are fixed right away there, reducing the chance of finding major issues at the end. This continuous testing means final product is more reliable and user experience few issues when it goes live. Only a few issues cannot be tested the lab rate. Those issues may be there and we can solve it easily when compared to the traditional method. In this way, it increases the product quality. Then if we go to the other benefit, it has like enhanced team morale and collaboration. Like in suppose think like in traditional model, each team member like designer, developer, tester works on their part independently. The designer may finish the product pages and then developer code them. Like when the developer is doing his work, designer may be free there, and then might finish the project early and he may be free there. Testers come only at the end, testing all features at once. This process means the team members work in an isolation. which can sometimes lead to miscommunication and it may lead to delays in the project. And there may be a chance like a team design people will not have any work. If the company wants to pay also, they can't, they don't want to pay also because they are free. Why should they pay them at that time? It may cause some company loss also. If designers have no work, they may go to the other companies to work also. This may have some loss to the company also. Here, but in Agile encourages teamwork and communication. Designer, developer, tester collaborate in every phase. I mean, every increment or every sprint. For example, if the testers find a glitch in image gallery, they can talk to the developer immediately who can fix within the sprint. Daily stand-up meetings also helps everyone they align and motivated. A team focused approach leads to better problem solving. It boosts the working team also. Like they'll have some other one immediately available to solve the problem if they have. Like daily stand-up meetings, so it's a very short meeting. In this, they can speak about what they have done yesterday, what they are going to do today, what are the challenges they face, and they can discuss those challenges and can solve by having communication with the people. And then comes to the other one, like reduce project risk. It reduces the project risks. May in suppose think like a traditional method, waterfall can lead to high risk. If a major bug has occurred in the payment at the end of the project, fixing it may be challenging. As I said before, like it may create bug in the earlier steps also. Like we need to backtrack all the steps there before it may delays the time to be launched the project. There is a chance like website launches with hidden bugs as it's tough to manage all the risk at once. But in Agile, Agile identifies and address risk as project progresses. Like it, every increment, it identifies the bug there. A small pieces of functionality will be reviewed and tested. So risks are caught early. For instance, if performance is slow with the related products, feature, the team notices it in a sprint and makes optimizes the changes immediately. This early risk management means fewer issues at launch, giving the client like peace of mind. Like it may be easy for them to find where the bugs have been found. And these are the main differences between uh, traditional methods and agile, and these are the benefits in which the agile is very useful when compared to the traditional methods. uh, at the end we can see that, like agile is flexible and adaptable to the new changes. Customer satisfaction will be very high if it delivers the project very fast when compared to the traditional methods. Not only the product delivery is fast, it also improves the quality of the project. It also increases the team collaboration. Also, we can say like it is important to consider like agile may be less suited for the rigid requirements and deadlines, because like if there are very small projects we can go with the traditional methods also. Like we can develop the project early and we can give them when they have all the requirements available we can do. But agile should be used for the one which may do not have requirements in early and should be tested and should deliver a quality product. Agile is becoming very popular in modern software development process due to its adaptable to new requirements. Hope you understand it. Thank you.